Assalamu alaikum. Engineer Muhammad Abu Samra, Civil Engineering channel with you. In this video, we will speak about shoring. Before we start, please don't forget subscribe and press like. The first, let's ask, what is a shoring? Shoring is the process of temporarily supporting building, structure, or trench with shores, props. When in danger of collapse or during repairs or alterations. Also, shoring may be vertical, angled, or horizontal as the site situation. We can use any one. What are the three types of shoring? We have three types of shoring. We have three types: racking shoring, flying shoring, and dead shoring. What is the shoring system? Shoring system are temporary structure alignments that serve to transfer loads during the various stage of construction. We have more types of shoring. Let's go to have some idea about it one by one. In this video, we introducing some types of shoring, but we will make some video in the future to explain every types one by one. How we install this, what's the difference between this and this type and another type. Now, let's go to know some types of shoring. Secant pile shoring. We apply this type. This have two kind of piles. One type, this we call it female, this no steel, and we apply this first. Another one we call this male, this have steel, but this interlock together. We have 10 cm between both of them. We should to apply or install the female this day, next day male. We'll make some video to speak about secant pile. Also, we have contiguous piles shoring. This all pipe have steel. We install this behind together. Maybe some less gap, maybe not as a side location. This depends on our design. Also, we'll make some video to show you how we make contiguous pile shoring. Also, we have H-beam or I-beam shoring. This also can call this solder pile walls. This, as we see in this video, we will make also video to show this. We apply H-beam or I-beam like this, and we bring concrete panels will cast and put this between these two sides. In your channel, we should do measurement for this side between these two beams. As we see, these beams should be 100% vertically, and we should to use spirit level to check vertical level, and measurement between this I-beam and the previous one, and this distance between this I-beam and previous one depend on our design, and we will install here concrete panels. We will show you how we apply this in next video. He press this by vibrator, and you should take care about measurement between two beams. Diaphragm walls, we use this when all other shoring types are not strong enough to reach deep excavation. We use this type in this stage. When we use this type, when the other shoring types are not strong enough to reach deep excavation. As we say, also we have flying shoring, dead shoring. We still have more shoring, more type about shoring. We'll make some video to explain one by one. When we install any shoring, we should to take care about safety, and we should to follow safety in the side. This is too much important. We still have more kind about shoring. Now we show you also another type. This in video this sheet pile. We also make some video to explain this and what's the difference between this and another one. Please don't forget follow our channel and subscribe for more knowledge about construction job. Have a nice day.